Hello everyone, welcome. Hey everyone, Simply Makeup here. These are the dogs. I'm outside just filming the short video. Today is my birthday video going up, and I wanted to thank everyone who has viewed my video, everyone who has subscribed to my channel, everyone who have stopped by for a minute. I want to say I am thankful for that very much. And as you can see, there are some pictures above this video, and that's just a few clips of me during the years past. But there's plenty more pictures, but I wanted to keep it short. So you'll see pictures of me with my pregnancies, my 3 boys. You'll see pictures of me during all different times, cruises, in the pool, on the ship, different pictures. So this is for your viewing pleasure. Enjoy it. I'm just standing outside walking to check my hair out. I love it. I am here to say I am enjoying my birthday. I am having fun. It is excited, and I'm standing outside. I'm doing the short video. But I just want to tell you all I love you all very much. Thank you for all the support, all the love, all the caring. And as usual, my channel is just fun, inspirational, encouraging, talk through, and I use makeup while I am doing that. But as you know, life is deeper. It's way deeper than just, face makeup. But face makeup makes it fun while I get to talk to you about life and while I get to encourage you and me, because if you point your finger this way, remember the thumb. That thumb is always pointing back at you. So always be careful when you point your finger at someone, what you're saying to them. And when I point a finger at you, I'm pointing at me because I want to empower you and me. And that is it. Anyway, enjoy those pictures. Have fun. I'm out here just standing, and it's beautiful. It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. And I am loving it. Standing here talking to you. This is my shirt. I don't know if my teeth dirty, if my teeth clean, I ate, I don't know. Either way, if you see food on my teeth, just keep watching the video. Enjoy it. Thank you all again, and I am saying happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. I love me, I do. I love me, I do. I love me very, very much. I love me, I do. I am thankful to the higher powers of this universe that gave me another life to live. And I am blessed. And I am saying thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a fantastic, fabulous, prosperous, glorious day. Bye.